Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors with Carolina Cooker. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. Today we're going to be working on one of my favorite recipes. We're going to be doing a fish taco. So the fish that we're going to be using is a North Carolina flounder. So what we're going to start with is we got some seasonings, very simple. We have salt, pepper, a little bit of granulated garlic, and some paprika. And what we're actually going to do is season the fish as opposed to seasoning the flour for this guy. Mix this all up. And go pretty liberally. You can heavy season this stuff, that way it gets a nice flavor through and through. So how we're gonna cook these today is we're gonna do a pan fry on them with a little bit of fine ground cornmeal. We're just gonna lightly dredge in the corn flour and go right into the pan. So we're gonna give the fish about a minute and a half to 2 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of the fish. Obviously, a thinner fish is gonna cook a lot faster. And if you like your fish a little on the crispy side, feel free to let it cook a little bit longer. Take these guys out and turn our heat off. Very simple. Take the tortillas, a little cabbage, a little flounder, slice onion, a little fresh lime. Can't go wrong with a little hot sauce. That's it. Beautiful dish, beautiful fish, very simple. I hope everybody enjoys.